and welcome back to TaylorToned. You have joined me for an amazing ab burning workout. Hi everybody, welcome back. If you've not hit subscribe, do that right now and press the bell so you get notification every time I upload a brand new workout. For today's 12-minute ab class, you are going to be needing a pillow. Doesn't matter if it's a pillow from the bed, a pillow from the sofa, whatever you have, go ahead and grab yourself a pillow. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so it's really important before we get into today's ab section, you're gonna warm up the spine. Bring the hands underneath your shoulders, knees under the hips, little cat and cow. Scoop, push the chest down, lift the eye line up. Scoop out the abs, inhale, exhale, push the chest down, one more. All the way under, eye line, press the chest down, lift the eye line up, and then into a neutral spine. All you're gonna do, warm the abs, tuck the toes under, now lift the knees up, squeeze the navel up towards your spine, create that gorgeous box position, and you have just 10, 9, 8 seconds, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into your first ab exercise, you're going to grab a hold of your pillow. I want you to bring your feet in front of yourself, hip distance apart, grabbing a hold of the pillow. You're going to shoot it out in front of yourself on a slight diagonal. Now, press the lumbar spine down to the floor. You're going to roll, 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 and then squeeze all the way up. So tucking under through the spine, rolling down and squeezing back up again. You really want to connect with every single vertebrae in your spine. So tuck the hips under, roll and lift. Do not keep a straight back. You want to be coming to a C shape with the spine. You want as many wrinkles in your top, in your belly as you possibly can. All the way squeeze and lift. Roll down. Inhale, exhale, squeeze up and lift. Let's warm those abs. 2 more of these. We roll down, tuck the tailbone under, squeeze up and lift. You've got 1 more. Tucking those hips under, press the lumbar spine to the floor, and you are going to hold here. So it's like you've scooped out the abdominals. You're pulling your belly button to the floor. You're rocking your hip bones into your belly button as tight as you can. Then you're going to bring the pillow over the top of the knees, and then you're going to shoot it up to the ceiling. Bring the pillow over the top of the knees, shooting it up to the ceiling. Keep going. Inhale, exhale, drop, all the way up again. 3 more, down for 2, up for 2, 2 more, down for 2, up for 2, 1 more, we go, down for 2, up for 2, and hold there. You're gonna take a little bend and reach with that pillow. Now the higher the pillow goes, the more intense it's gonna get. Bend, reach, bend, reach. Now really rock those hips under. Press your lumbar spine to the floor. Bend, reach. Can you get that pillow 1 inch higher? Can you drop your lower spine down to the floor a little bit further? Let's burn. Bend, reach, bend, reach. You have just 10. You've got it. 9, 8, let's go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. You're going to roll yourself to the floor at this point. So I want you to bring yourself to the floor. You're just going to pop your pillow to the side of your body right now. Bring one leg into a tabletop. Bring the other leg into a tabletop. Knees over the top of the hips. Toes in line with your knees. Hands then come under the thighs. Now tuck the chin to the chest. Lift the head, neck, shoulders off the floor. Elbows are nice and wide here. Try to keep the eye line forward. I know it's hard when you're watching me. Now you want to switch on those upper abdominals, those rectus abdominals, that top layer. They are fighting right now. Breathe inhale in. Breathe exhale away. You're going to start to take little miniature lifts. Lift. Now switch off the arms. They are there for support, but you're going to try to switch them off. Let them go. You are just using those abdominals to help you fight through this. Keep going. You're going to inhale in, exhale away. It's going to get a little bit harder. You're going to grab a hold of your pillow. In, just go. 10, 9 more pulses. 8, grabbing hold of the pillow. We're going pillow pass in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Now stay there. You're going to grab hold of your pillow and let's do this. You're going to loop it underneath your legs. Now I want you to keep your head, neck, shoulders off the floor. If this is too intense with you, I'm going to show you the modification. If this is okay, keep going. Modification, you're just here, holding up there. Wherever you are, give me your all. Sweep that pillow underneath your thighs. We're going to go the other way round. In 5, you've got this. 4, it burns. 3, 2, 1. Other way with the pillow. Try not to think about that burn. Think about the fact you are sculpting your abs. You are changing the shape of your waist. So commit to the burn. Keep going. Sweep that pillow underneath your legs. Inhale, exhale, maybe close the eyes. Send yourself into a happy place. You are not in a killer ab series. You're on the beach, sunbathing. Ooh, you're in a lounger. I'm picturing it right now. Keep going. You're going to hold the pillow under the legs in 10, in 9, in 8, in 7. You've got it. 6, head, neck, shoulders go higher. 4, 3, 2. Now hold the pillow here behind the back of the legs. I know, burner. Chin to chest. Lift the head, neck, shoulders. 1 more inch up. Now we're going to pulse to finish the set. So you're reaching that pillow forwards. Oh my gosh, this is a burner, but we've got it. Reach, reach, inhale, exhale. Let's sculpt that brand new waist. Everyone's gonna be like, where you get those abs? You're gonna be like, tailor tone. Let's go. You have 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Well done. Give it a quick shake off. Then I want you to bring your pillow back to the side again. You're going to lengthen one leg into a tabletop. You're going to bring your other leg into a tabletop. Flat back position. Now you're going to pull your belly button to the floor. Close the ribs together as tight as you possibly can and just breathe in. Breathe out, exhale away. You've got it. Just stay there. You should feel this straight away. If you can't feel the connection, double check. Are your knees over the top of the hips? Are your toes in line with your knees? You shouldn't be able to see your toes. Now grab a hold of your pillow. You're going to shoot the pillow up to the ceiling. Keep the legs nice and still. Just reach the pillow back. Bring it back up. Now as you lengthen the pillow backwards, do not let your spine come off the floor. You should be burning already. Shoot the pillow backwards, keep those abs in super tight. It's like you're wearing a corset here. You have zipped yourself up, tied yourself up in a corset with those ribbons, super, super tight. You cannot move. Your abs are so engaged. You're squeezing your ribs together, pulling the belly button down, working your core here, your transverse abdominals, that deepest layer. Legs, change your waist today. 2 more, and then you're going to include the legs. Back in, 1 more. All the way back, all the way in. Now let's go legs. All the way out, all the way back in again. So you're shooting your legs on the diagonal. If you go here, legs to the ceiling, you're not really going to feel anything. That would be a modification. So bring the legs forwards, squeeze in, all the way out, squeeze it back in. Now let's go ahead. We're going to make it a little bit harder. You're going to turn your pillow side up. You're going to shoot all the way out, pop it in between the thighs, and then lengthen and squeeze. Now, as you send the legs long, squeeze the pillow in between your thighs for dear life. Lengthen for 2, and then in and in. Switch, lengthen, lengthen, go in and in. Switch, lengthen. You want to get those legs nice and low without letting the spine come off the floor. If you can feel it in that lumbar spine, imprint your back in towards the floor, into your mat, wherever you are. Go in and in. Switch, out. Whoo! In. You've got it. 3 more of these. Go in. Switch. 2 more. Go in. Switch. 1 more. Now you're gonna pop the pillow in between your thighs. Now squeeze the pillow as hard as you can. lengthen the legs away, hands over the head, little squeezes of the pillow. You're trying to get all of the air out of your pillow. Squeeze it. Just give me 7 squeezes. 6, you've got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Grabbing a hold of the pillow, popping it to the side, draw the knees to the chest, rock yourself back, rock yourself up and forwards. You're gonna come into one of my favorite bar exercises for abs. So I want you to send this pillow between your calves. Your calves have the pillow. Lower yourself down onto the forearms. Now you're gonna bring yourself in towards what is a round back, but I want you to think about pulling the spine nice and long. The forearms are down to the floor, eyeline is up. It's like you're sunbathing on the beach. You've got your chest nice and high to the ceiling. Inhale in, exhale away. Now you're gonna try, keep the hips on the floor, try to lengthen the legs away, squeeze back in again. Try to lengthen those legs out for 2, squeeze it in for 2. Let's go, go out, out. So you're drawing your spine nice and long here. Out, we go in. 4 of these, lengthen, in, get those abs nice and long, in, 2 more, out, in, I'm shaking 1 more, now you're gonna in and hold. Now the lumbar spine is gonna press to the floor and you're gonna rock your hips under. So right now you're trying to invert your hip bones into your belly button, forearms are down. Now you're gonna tuck the hips under, release, tuck under, release. So the hips rock under. We go, tuck. You've got it, tuck. I want you to now take your eyeline onto your knees. Try to keep the knees still. Try not to let those legs move at all. Don't let the cushion move. Just tuck the hips, release, like getting a little tuck in a club, in a disco, maybe in your living room if you dance at home. Release, we go, little tuck, release. Just have to have your abs on fire. 4, you've got it. 3, oh my gosh, 2. Last one. Now keep the lumbar spine pressing down to the floor. Keep that tuck under, that isolation of your hips, of your abs. Now you're gonna lengthen your legs away. Oh gosh, now tuck, tuck. Tuck. Try to keep those legs still. It's physically impossible, but try to rock the hips under. Again, take yourself to that happy place. You're in a lounger. Woo! You've got that big fluffy sun hat on, sunglasses on, watching the world go by. You are not enjoying the spin, but you've worked for those abs you've got. Let's go, go tuck and tuck. You have a final. Get those hips rocking under, inverting. Give me just 10, 9, embrace the shake. You have just 8, 7, 6, 5, can't stop shaking. 4, 3 tucks, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Well done. Let the pillow drop to the side, draw the knees into the chest. Rock yourself side to side. Get the breath back. You might want to close your eyes like me, because that was a burn. Rock yourself back, rock yourself up and forward. Sweep both the feet around towards the back. Bring the hands under the shoulders, knees under your hips. Little cat and cow. And then from here, come on towards your knees. All you're gonna do is bring your hands behind your back. Open the chest to the ceiling. Lengthen the abdominals. Back to the center. And well done in your 12-minute pillow abs with me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go and check out another of my workouts, and I will see you all again very, very soon.